Another former Alabama senator could be our country's next U.S. Attorney General. Doug Jones is reportedly being considered for the position by the incoming Biden administration. Today, Jones gave his farewell speech to the Senate.
From the church bombing case to a Senate election in Alabama, I fought for those causes because I believe in hope. I believe in redemption. I believe in the possibility.
Jones understandably getting choked up as he spoke about his time in the Senate, reflecting on the more than 20 bipartisan bills he co-sponsored and helped pass.